Okay, guys, today we're going to be working on a vocabulary activity that is a vocabulary map. So what that's going to look like is like this. You're going to draw the word in the middle or somewhere off to the side, and you can do this either on paper or you can do it on the computer. I don't really care which one, as long as you keep up with it. So we're going to be using the words that are listed right here, and I will also put those onto Google Classroom so you can see those I'm highlighting right here. So the way we're going to do this is put the word in the middle, then you're going to go to a thesaurus or dictionary, actually both. Merriam-Webster is always a good option. And you're going to put the word in reconstruction. Okay, so reconstruction in the dictionary, it's going to tell you that the word is in here. You can also see the word reconstruct. Okay, so reconstruct means to build something again after it has been damaged or destroyed. Interesting. All right, so some synonyms for that is we have the words fix up. Okay, so fix up or rebuild, rehab, these are all words that we can use. So we're going to put those words in here. So the way you can do that, create a text box, put the word rehab. Actually, I'm going to put fix up. Okay, so fix up. Also the word rehab or rehabilitation, be a good one. Okay, and you also need to put a box around this. So if you can, box or a circle, you need to put those on here before, preferably, because otherwise it does that. So I'm going to put this on top, and that's not quite working, so that's okay. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. So that's what we're going to be doing today, is you're going to be creating your own word visual thesaurus and visual dictionary, and then from here, if you do this on your computer, you're going to use Google Drawings. So in your Google Drive, you will click New. Okay, so if you do this, you're going to click the New button over here. Whenever that pops up, you're going to go down to More and then Google Drawings. Okay, Google Drawings. It's going to open up a new drawing, and then you'll have to figure out how to work it from there. Okay, so again, either use a piece of paper, and you're going to do this for each vocabulary word. I also want you to add a picture. So the way you can do that is you can put insert image, and then you can go to photos, which you may have to search from the web, actually up here. Search from the web, and then reconstruct or reconstruction. Okay, so these are all things. Now this is the historical idea, but you can see over here people are reconstructing this. That's a good one, and this is also a good one because this is showing the era that we're talking about, which is Lincoln. You can see here this is a picture of Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, and the South. And then you can also see a building here being reconstructed or rebuilt after being torn up. Okay, so these are both good images to do. All right. Now, if you decide to do it on paper, I want you to draw a picture on that.